You had a tab open, something you needed, and then it was gone. Maybe you clicked the little X by accident, maybe Chrome closed the whole window, maybe the browser just crashed and took everything with it. Here is the fix before anything else. Press Ctrl Shift T. That brings back the very last thing you closed, dropped right back where it was. And if it was more than one tab, keep pressing that same combination. Chrome walks backward through everything you closed, one item at a time, in the exact reverse order. That one shortcut solves this most of the time. Now let me show you the whole playbook for when it is a specific tab, a whole window, or a crash. Let me slow down on that shortcut because it does more than people think. On Windows, Linux, and a Chromebook, it is Ctrl Shift T. On a Mac, it is Command Shift T. After years of living in Chrome every day, this is the one my fingers hit without even thinking. It does not just paste the address back, it restores the actual tab in its original position in the strip, and it keeps that tab's own back and forward history, so the pages you visited inside it are still there. Press it once for the last tab, press it again for the one before that, and again and again. Each press steps one item further back through the list of things you recently closed. If your hand is already on the mouse, you do not need the keyboard at all. Right-click on any empty part of the tab strip, that gray area up top where your tabs live, and choose Reopen Close Tab. It does exactly the same thing as the shortcut. And here is a small detail worth knowing. If the last thing you closed was an entire window, that same menu item changes its wording to Reopen Closed Window, and clicking it brings the whole thing back at once. But what if the tab you want is not the last one you closed? What if you closed 5 and you only want the second one back? For that, go to the three-dot menu in the top right and hover over History. A small list slides out, and right at the top is a section called Recently Closed. Your individual tabs are listed there by name, and any windows you closed show up as a group labeled with how many tabs they held. Click the exact one you want, and only that one comes back. That recently closed list is short though, and it forgets the older ones, especially once you have fully quit Chrome. So for something you closed hours or even days ago, you need your full history instead. Press Ctrl H on Windows or Command Y on a Mac. You can also just type Chrome://history into the address bar. Then search by any word you remember from the page title or its web address and open it straight from the results. Your history hangs around for weeks, long after the quick list has let go. Now the scarier version of this. You did not lose one tab. You lost the entire window with a dozen tabs inside it. Same first move. Ctrl Shift T or Command Shift T on a Mac brings the whole window back, every tab in it in the right order. If for some reason it only returns one tab at a time, open that recently closed list again, and this time click the window entry, the one showing a tab count, to restore the full set in a single step. What about a real crash where Chrome itself falls over? When you reopen it, Chrome usually shows a small bar near the top offering to restore the pages you had open. Click Restore and your session comes back. If you clicked past that bar too quickly, do not panic. The very same tricks still work. The Reopen shortcut and the recently closed list both still hold your last session for a while after a crash. Here is how to stop this from ever being a scramble again. There is a setting that makes Chrome reopen everything you had automatically every single time it starts. Open the three-dot menu, click Settings, and in the sidebar choose On Startup. You will see three choices: open the new tab page, open a specific set of pages, or continue where you left off. Pick Continue where you left off. From now on, closing Chrome and reopening it, or even restarting your computer, brings your exact set of tabs right back. No shortcuts required. If the reopen shortcut ever seems to do nothing, there are a few honest reasons. First, incognito windows keep no record, so nothing you closed inside incognito can be reopened this way, and that is by design. Second, if you closed every window and fully quit, some systems clear that closed tab list on the way out. And third, an extension may have claimed Ctrl Shift T for itself. Open Chrome://extensions, and if a keyboard heavy extension is the culprit, the recently closed list still gets you there. This works on your phone too, just in a different spot. On Android, tap the three-dot menu in the top right, then Recent Tabs, and look under Recently Closed. On an iPhone or iPad, tap the three-dot menu in the bottom right, then Recent Tabs, and the same Recently Closed section is there. And if the tab you want was open on your computer, not your phone, that same Recent Tabs screen has a Tabs from Other Devices section, as long as you are signed in and syncing. One thing most guides skip. When a tab comes back, it restores the page and that tab's browsing history. And yes, pinned tabs and tab groups return too, in their proper place. But it does not bring back text you had typed into a form and never submitted. That draft is gone. So if you are about to close something with half a message in it, copy that text out first. The reopen tricks protect your pages, not your unsaved typing. So quickest to strongest. Ctrl Shift T brings back the last thing you closed and keep pressing to walk further back. Right-click the tab strip for the same fix with your mouse. Use the recently closed list for a specific tab or a whole window, and full history for anything older. Turn on Continue where you left off so Chrome just remembers for you. And on a crash, click Restore. This is chromestory.com, decoding everything Chrome since 2009. Subscribe, because this is Chrome explained properly.